everyone, welcome back to my channel. And for this Diwali, I have decided to give myself a very Indo-Western kind of vibes, and I'm super duper excited because Diwali is just around the corner. Well, I hope you will really enjoy this video because this look is super simple but very classy. And before I've started my tutorial, make sure you have subscribed my channel, hit the bell icon, and without any further ado, let's begin. Alright guys, so this is my complete look which is absolutely going with my western outfit. You can definitely try this out this Diwali party, and this will suit your look as well as it will go every type of Indo-western or western outfit. Hope you have liked it. What do you think about this? Don't forget to mention me in comment box below. Also you can follow me on social media. My Insta handle is Stylewithshivi. Keep loving, keep supporting, and please subscribe my channel if you have not done it yet, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care, bye bye.